Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So traders, traders, what I want to talk about in this video is just a bit of an update on the markets, and we're still not out of the woodworks yet. Now, obviously, we never know what's truly going to happen in the next day, right? We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow or the next day or the next day. We never know that, okay? You don't need to know that in order for you to make money in markets. What you need is a plan and follow the plan. But that's for another video. What I'm talking about right now is that we're not out of the woodworks yet right now. We're still in this period right now. You can see what I'm looking at here on the Dow Jones. We're still in this period right now where if I squeeze my chart up here, right, you can see how we're still right below these support levels here. And and why I say we're not out of the woodwork yet is that if we break a buck above, if we break back above these levels here, if we start to get a nice break back above these levels, back above say 27,000, then this is probably going to be some sort of a false breakout to the downside then, and then we're probably likely to start to see a movement back to the upside. Okay. So that's what we're seeing through there, and that's what I'm seeing through there with that there. But looking at this here, we're still not out of the woodwork. So if I look at this here, and if I look at this is the Dow Jones, you can see how it actually broke back up to new highs and then broke down, and now it's just going sideways. If I bring up let's make this happen. Bring up say the SPY or the S&P 500, same sort of thing, right? Look at this here, right? It's broke back down. And now we're just hovering around here, right? Hovering around these levels through here. So we're still not out of the woodwork yet with that. And same for the Nasdaq, right? The Nasdaq. Look at the Nasdaq there. Like, look at that. It broke back below. It broke out bigger bugger, right? So that was the previous highs through there. Broke back above and came back down. That's called a false breakout now. So we came back down, and now we're still just in this period of no one in control, what we call a resting phase, or what's known in technical terms is called a time phase. So it'd be really interesting to see where we break out, because wherever we break out of this, if it's got some volume behind it, we're probably likely to follow through. And if we break down, so my key area is this level through here. All right, so this level through here, if we break down through here, then we're likely to start to see some downside. So that'll be the level that I'm looking for, but we're still in this sideways period where it's not doing nothing. We need to see a break out of this small little sideways range through here we're seeing right now, and then from that we can get a bit more of a clear clear sort of where it's likely to go over the short term anyway. Okay, this is the short term analysis, not long term analysis. Long term, we're headed to a recession and it's going to be a bear market, right? We know that. What do I mean by long term? Over the next 1 to 2 years, we're going to be in a recession. We're going to be in a bear market. Now, it doesn't mean we're going to start to go down really, really, really quickly. It could be slowly going down. Okay, if you look at the 1937, like Ray Dalio talks about. What was the 1937? It actually just slowly stair-stepped down, right, for a couple of years. It wasn't a big bang like we saw at the end of 2008. So remember that, guys. Okay, remember that. Even when we do, if this is forming a top right now, it takes 12 to 18 months to form a top on average. Then this is a top. Then once we have started the bear market, then we have 1 to 2 years of downward movement. Okay, 1 to 2 years. Not 1 to 2 months or 1 to 2 days. All right. So that's what I'm seeing there right now. My question to you guys is, do you think that this is now the rest? This is what we call the calm before the storm. Where we're resting here and we're going to start to break down, or do you think, you know what, we're just going to continue running back up? Let me know what you think in the chat box below. Hey traders, before you go, make sure you head on down to johnsfreegift.com because I'm giving away a brand new trading course. It's 10 videos long, over 12 hours long. We've got the foundations, we've got chart reading strategies, we've got a couple of different trading systems there, the mindset, the differences between people who do really well and people who don't do well, and so much more. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then you need to get access to this trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now to get free access to this complete trading course right now.